In this video, we are diving into how to expand the binomials raised to a power. So for our first problem, our binomial 2x minus 4y raised to the second power. So that means that we have to multiply the binomial by itself 2 times. So therefore, we have to rewrite this as 2x minus 4y times 2x minus 4y. And now to multiply these two binomials, you can either use the FOIL method or using the box or the table method. So I'm going to use the table method here. So we have 2x minus 4y and then 2x minus 4y. So what we have here now is that for the first one, we have 2x times 2x, which is 4x squared, because when you multiply, you add the exponents. And then 2x times negative 4y will give me negative 8xy. Negative 4y times 2x is also negative 8xy. And then negative 4y times negative 4y will give me positive 16, and then y raised to the second power because 1 plus 1 is 2. And the last step to multiplying the binomials is to add the like terms, which are the xy terms. So my final answer for this problem is we have 4x squared. Negative 8 plus negative 8 will give me negative 16 and bring down the xy. And also bring down your last term, which is 16y squared. So now for our next problem, our binomial is raised to the third power. So that means that you're multiplying the binomial by itself 3 times. So we have 2x minus 4y times 2x minus 4y times the third 2x minus 4y. So now we have 3 things to multiply. So therefore, we're going to multiply the first 2 binomials together first. And as you can see, we did that already from our earlier problem. So I'm just going to rewrite the answer. So the answer from the earlier problem was 4x squared minus 16xy plus 16y squared. And then I'm going to bring down my last binomial, which is 2x minus 4y. So therefore, to multiply this, again, I'm going to use my box or table method. So we have 4x squared minus 16xy plus 16y squared, and then 2x minus 4y on the side. So now what we have here is 2x times 4x squared will give me 8x to the third power, because again, when you multiply, add the exponents. 2x times negative 16xy will give you negative 32x squared y. So again, don't forget to add the exponents for x. 1 plus 1 is 2. And then 2x times positive 16y squared, that will give me positive 32x y squared. And now let's multiply everything by negative 4y. So negative 4y times 4x squared will give me negative 16x squared y. And then negative 4y times negative 16xy will give me positive 64xy squared. So again, add the exponents when you multiply for the y. And then negative 4y times 16y squared will give me negative 64y to the third power. So again, the last thing I need to do is combine the like terms. So what I have now is ax raised to the third power, and add the right terms. So negative 16 plus negative 32, that's going to give me negative 48x squared y. And then add the green terms together. So 64 plus 32, that's going to give us positive 96xy squared. And the last step is bring down the negative 64y to the third power.